Why would the edges of my new potted Japanese maple's leaves be turning brown? And this is from Sheila. So why do you think that's the case, Rosa?
That sounds like too much water. I would say, if you're watering your pot, like because it is potted, so
right, it is potted.
When it's not in the ground, it's harder for the plants to stay with the right moisture. Yeah. So I would water it less. So if you're watering it maybe every 3 days or so, it depends on also the time of year that you potted your plant in, because if it's in cooler temperatures like in the spring or in fall, you need to water it less. So I would check on the pot every week, once a week. If the soil is still moist, then I would wait a few more days, about 3 more days, and then check it again. That's my rule of thumb. So you can wait even in between 2 weeks or so to water it if it's not too hot outside. Now, when it's in the summer, then you would water it more often, so maybe twice a week. So you can just check on your pot once every 3 to 4 days, and I think that will be the solution to that.
I think that would be good. That was awesome. That was real good recommendation there, because she did say it's sitting in shade. Yeah. So I mean, it's in the right light condition for the most part. But
exactly.
I think she's loving it too much. So watch the watering on that.
Exactly.
I think you'll be fine, right? Yes. Anytime those leaves brown around the edges, they start to curl up. Yeah, there's always a watering issue.
Yes. Yeah. Don't be afraid to neglect your plant a little bit. Yeah. You're not neglecting it. You're actually taking care of it.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And if need be, just stick your finger down in there sometimes.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. Yeah. I do that a lot. Just stick that finger in there. If it comes out with nothing on it, you need to water it. If it's got some little dirt and soil particles on it, probably good.
Probably good. Yeah, it's just soil moisture meter right here.
Right, that's right.